Hey everyone, welcome back to Measuremix. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell before you leave so you don't miss out on anything new. Now today I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree DIY for Christmas. It's a stocking holder. I think it's really cute, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Now this one and tomorrow's video is probably going to be the last of my Christmas DIYs for this year because for one, I'm running out of ideas, and for two, Christmas is sneaking up on me. So next weekend is the weekend right before Christmas, and I'm sure nobody is going to be wanting to DIY that weekend for Christmas. So if you guys have any ideas or suggestions for next week's video, let me know down in the comments below because I have no idea what I'm going to be doing next week. So I would definitely love your help out on that if you have any ideas or suggestions. So anyways, with that all being said, let's go ahead and get started on today's Christmas DIY. Alright, so I'm going to start off by using this tumbling tower game from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use 21 of these pieces to start building a base for my stand. And I am going to make 7 rows of 3 blocks in each row. I'm going to go ahead and hot glue 3 of the blocks together in each row to start off with. And you'll probably want to go ahead and use E6000 or wood glue actually to do this, but I'm just using hot glue to be quicker for this video. And then after I get those pieces glued together, I'm just going to glue each row together as well. Next, I'm going to take one of these rolling pins from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to hot glue the bottom of it to the middle of my base. Again, you'll probably want to use E6000 or wood glue to give it a longer and stronger hold. Next, I just decided to take some more of those blocks and enclose my rolling pin just to give it a little bit more of a decorative look. So I took 4 of them and hot glued them down to my base around the rolling pin, and then I took 4 more and made a second layer and hot glued those down around the rolling pin. Next, I'm just going to take another one of these rolling pins from Dollar Tree, and I am going to drill about 3 inches down from the top of the rolling pin all the way through a hole, and then I'm going to flip the rolling pin on its side and then turn it around and go to the other side of the rolling pin and come about 3 inches down and drill another hole. And then my drill bit was the same size as these wooden dowels from Dollar Tree, and I just inserted 2 of these wooden dowels through the holes that I drilled, and those are going to be what holds my stockings. Now I'm just going to take that rolling pin I just finished with the dowels in it, and I'm going to hot glue the bottom of it to the top of the other rolling pin that's on the base. And again, E6000 or wood glue would work a lot better, so that way it will last a lot longer. Now I'm going to use this Waverly chalk paint in the color Ivory, and I'm going to give the whole thing a coat of chalk paint. I only did 1 coat of chalk paint just because I kind of wanted the wood to show through a little bit to give it more of a farmhousey rustic feel. Also, I want to mention that this is totally customizable. You can paint it whatever color you'd like to fit your decor. You could also even add another rolling pin and drill some more holes and add some more dowels to fit some more stockings onto this. So it's just up to you. This is just kind of a baseline of what I did, so you can customize it however you'd like. Now I had this plaque from Dollar Tree that I wanted to add to my stand, so I just removed the hardware from it, and I did not like the gold detail on it. I liked the detail, but I didn't like the gold color. So I went ahead and gave it a coat of that ivory chalk paint that I used before, and you could still see the detail through it. So I went ahead and traced that detail with a black Sharpie paint pen instead. You could totally skip this process if you liked the gold detail and that went with your decor, and then you wouldn't have to paint it at all. After I was done tracing the details out, I wanted my sign to say Santa stop here. So I took a pencil and I just drew those words out, and then I took my Sharpie paint pen, the same one in black, and then I just traced those letters out. Alright, so now that my sign is finished, I just need to attach it to my stand. And for that, I'm just going to use some hot glue on the back of my sign there at the bottom in the middle. And then I'm just going to attach it to the top of the stand. And that is it, guys. I think it turned out really cute. I just put my stockings that came from the Target dollar spot this year. They are black and white, and that is why I painted my stand in the black and white color. I thought that it would go perfectly with this. So I think this stand would be great if you didn't have a fireplace or a mantle, or if you just wanted to display some pretty stockings this year. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And that is it. I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.